Next problem in trigonometric equation, it is 2 times sine square x plus root 3 times cos x plus 1 equals to 0. That is the given question. We need to identify general solution for this trigonometric equation. Here it is sine, it is cos. If you can convert this one into cos, then it will be very easy for us to solve. Let us solve this problem. We can write this as 2 times 1 minus cos square x plus root 3 times cos x plus 1 equals to 0. Now you can write this as 2 minus 2 cos square x plus root 3 cos x plus 1 equals to 0. So here finally it is 2 cos square x minus root 3 cos x minus 3. I have taken negative common, that you need to observe. So by quadratic equation formula we can solve cos x. It is minus b plus or minus root over b square, means it is 3b square minus 4ac. So it becomes plus 24 divided by 2a. 2 times, what is a here? A is 2, that you need to observe. So if you observe this, cos x we got root 3 plus or minus root over 27 divided by 4. So let us simplify this. This is root 3 plus or minus 3 root 3. Root over 27 means we can write 3 root 3 divided by 4. What we can do further? If you see this, it equals to, if you take plus it will be root 3. If you take minus, it will be negative root 3 divided by 2. You can see root 3 is more than 1. That's why it is impossible for cos to achieve more than 1. It is impossible. So cos x should be negative root 3 divided by 2. So cos x is negative root 3 divided by 2. Then what will be x? General solution of cos x equals to k. It is 2n pi plus or minus 2n pi plus or minus, it is nothing but 150 degrees, so that we can write 5 times 30. 150 means 5 times 30 degrees. Alpha we have to choose from 0 to 180, that you need to observe. So this happens whenever x is 150 degrees, that you need to observe. So this is the alpha. So this is general solution wherever n belongs to integers. N belongs to what? Integers, that you need to observe. So that is the solution for given trigonometric equation. I think it is very clear for you. Take one more problem for you, that is 4 times cos theta minus, this is 4, that you need to observe. 4 times cos theta minus 3 secant theta equals to 2 tan theta. This you need to simplify and find the general solution. For that, what you need to find? General solution you need to find. Next problem. find general solution for one minus tan theta into 1 plus sine 2 theta equals to 1 plus tan theta. This we need to simplify and find the general solution. Here we do one thing, sine 2 theta points to remember to solve this problem. Sine 2 theta formula, it is 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. If you can substitute this, it is very easy for us to simplify this problem. So let us substitute this value here. So it becomes one minus tan theta into 1 plus 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta equals to 1 plus tan theta. So now you can see that here you can take LCM, so that it becomes 1 plus tan theta whole square. Tan theta I am taking it as t, that you need to observe. Here denominator will be 1 plus tan square theta into 1 minus tan theta equals to 1 plus tan theta. So if you take 1 plus tan theta towards left side, it becomes 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta whole square divided by 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 plus tan theta equals to 0. Now you can see here we can take 1 plus tan theta common. We can take 1 plus tan theta common. If you take 1 plus tan theta common, what it will be? It will be 1 minus tan square theta. Why? Because if you take 1 plus tan theta common, it will be 1 minus tan theta into 1 plus tan theta. It is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square, which is denominator, minus 1, that we will get, that should be equals to 0. So if you see here, if you take LCM, what you will get? Let us take LCM. In the bracket, it is 1 plus tan theta into 1 minus tan square minus 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square equals to 0. Now 1 gets cancelled. You will get 2 tan square in numerator divided by 1 plus tan square in denominator into 1 plus tan, that should be equals to 0. Now you can see either this equals to 0 or this should be equals to 0. Now either 1 plus tan equals to 0 or what? 2 tan square divided by 1 plus tan square equals to 0. So for that, 1 plus tan equal to 0 means tan equals to negative 1. Here tan square should be 0. So here you can see tan equals to negative 1. When it will be? Tan equals to negative 1 means it will be at tan negative pi by 4. That is very clear. So this is alpha. Now general solution will be theta equals to n pi plus alpha. Alpha is negative pi by 4. N belongs to integers. Now if you see this, tan square equals to 0 means tan should be equals to 0. For that, general solution will be theta equals to m times pi. Here m belongs to integers, here n belongs to integers. I think it is very clear for you. So general solution will be theta equals to n pi plus minus pi by 4. N belongs to integers, or theta equals to m pi where m belongs to integers. This is the general solution that you need to observe. I think it is very clear for you. Once go through the solution.